Good morning, guys. I am Karthi and working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics at SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to present on HDFS architecture, which stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. So this topic comes under data analytics in automation system. In the presentation, we will understand how Hadoop stores and manages large scale of data efficiently using distributed system. So HDFS is a distributed file system designed to store very large data sets across multiple machines. So it is built to handle huge volumes of data, fault tolerance, meaning even if system fail, data is safe. Scalability, it can grow to petabytes. So key features which includes it follows a master slave architecture, uses data replication, typically 3 copies, and supports rack awareness for better reliability and works on commodity hardware, so it will be cost effective. And the HDFS architecture overview. The HDFS follows a master slave architecture. There are 3 main components like master slave design, name node, data nodes, and client. So the name node, which will be act as the master server, and the data nodes, which will be act as the worker or slave nodes, and the client, which interacts with the system. So the name node controls everything, while data nodes stores the actual data. And the name node is the most important component in HDFS. So its responsibilities include managing the file system structure, storing metadata in RAM, such as file names and block location, and handling the operations like create, delete, and rename files. So it also monitors the data nodes using um, like heartbeat signals and a block mapping information. So in simple terms, name node, which will be act as the brain of HDFS. The major roles and responsibility is how we are going to manage the file system and how we are coordinating the data nodes, followed by the data node. The data nodes are responsible for storing the actual data. Their major functions which will include storing the data in the form of blocks and also managing the replica of the blocks and sending the heartbeat signal to the name node. So they also generate block reports to keep the name node updated. So data node act as the storage unit of the HDFS. The major key functions of the data nodes is blocking the storage on the local disk and data block management and healthy reporting via heartbeat signal and block the reports to the name node. So followed by the data replication. One of the key features of HDFS is data replication. By default, each data block is stored 3 times. Copies are placed across different nodes and rack. So this ensures the high fault tolerance, data availability even during the failures. The replication process follows a pipeline approach, and if a node fails, replicas are automatically recreated. So the read-write operations. Uh, Now let's see how data is read and written in the HDFS. First, the read operation. Client requests file from the name node. The name node gives the block locations. Then the client reads from the nearest data node and done the data verification via checksums. And the write operations, client send request to the name node and data will be written in the written blocks. Replication happens to the pipeline and acknowledgements are sent back. This ensures the efficient and reliable data transfer through the write operations. And the fault tolerance and recovery, HDFS is designed to handle failures efficiently. So data nodes send heartbeat signal every 3 seconds. If no signal is received, the node is considered failed. Recovery mechanism include automatic replication of lost data, rebalancing across nodes, checksum verification for data integrity. These mechanism which will make the HDFS highly reliable. So on the mind map, the core components are the name node, data node, secondary name node, and client. The major key features include fault tolerance, high throughput, and scalability. So this gives a complete overview of how HDFS will operate. The recap and summary to conclude, HDFS follows a master slave architecture that name node manages the metadata, data node store actual data, replication ensures the reliability. So HDFS plays a crucial role in handling the big data efficiently in the real world application. So that's it for today. We can see a new topic in the next class. Thank you.